Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining for another video. Today I'm going to introduce a new series of videos. I'm going to call this series of videos Quick Hits. That's where I will do a video review in 2 minutes or less about products that I think are value packed and well worth the money. So the first product we're going to talk about is this little guy right here. This is the Hunter Trauma Kit. This is made by TMS Outdoors. And it is a tourniquet that is one of only 2 Department of Defense and Department of Homeland Security approved tourniquets. So it comes in this little pouch right here. The current price on this is $43.99, and you can find this on the TMS Outdoor website, which I'm going to link down below. So you open this thing up, you get the tourniquet, of course, and you get a nice set of instructions. Now, if you don't know much about a tourniquet, tourniquets are used to stop bleeding. So if someone is about to bleed to death, you can apply this, generally speaking, above the wound, tighten it up, and it's going to stop the bleeding. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. As you can see, it's secured with 2 rubber bands. The instruction sheet that I got with it is very good. Tells you exactly what to do. A long strip of basically of nylon here. You would actually put the arm, leg, whatever body part you have, tighten it down. You would twist this portion right here and then lock it into place like so. Honestly, this is 0.375 pounds. The dimensions are 2.5 by 2.5 by 6 inches. Various colors it comes in are tan, multicam, orange, and green. Got any questions? Please let me know down below. I'll link all the information to TMS Outdoors. I'm Tactical Black Guy. That's Quick Hits for you. I'm out.